like to talk a little bit about what a media business analyst does, because that really describes me better than just being a videographer. As much as I love doing videography, I think there's a bigger picture there. And part of what I do is combine my experience from my Lockheed Martin days as a systems engineer and business analyst to basically say, okay, what is being created when you create a video? It is a communication system, a communication experience that enables people to learn or to become aware or to basically have a basis of making decisions. So really you could think of a communication experience through video or through on the internet or any kind of any kind of communication experience could be considered like a software system. Well, in business analysis, you look at these kind of systems, such as software systems, and you apply various techniques to be able to assess really whether these systems will work or not. But that starts from the idea of saying, okay, what is needed really to solve a business issue or a business problem? And sometimes it may not even be communications, but when it does come to the point where you are actually needing to use communications to further your business goals, that's where a media business analyst comes in, and that's what I do. Basically, I look and say, okay, what is the most effective way for this business to either communicate internally through training, to communicate externally to its customers, its stakeholders, and all the people involved? What are they trying to do? And then basically what happens from there is you engage in a process of developing the requirements and working with people to understand basically what's needed, and that basically drives the planning and the implementation and the actual deployment of a project that actually solves that problem. And it starts out with the idea of actually working with people in conversation. A lot of times it starts out with where you're starting out with a situation as is, and how the processes work, how the business works. And then from there you explore further ideas as to what can be done.